Have you truly dialed in your home defense plan? Here at Wise Gunner, our goal is to make sure you're armed with the tools that really count. And when it comes to protecting your home and loved ones, few tools hit harder or more reliably than a shotgun. In this video, we're counting down our picks for the 10 best shotguns of 2025, chosen for their performance, simplicity, and real-world defensive value. From the rapid-fire capability of the Mossberg 930 Tactical to the combat-proven ruggedness of the Benelli M4, each of these shotguns offers its own unique edge. We'll break down the key features of each one to help you decide what fits best in your defensive loadout. Stick with us to find out which model claims the top spot and why it might be the tool that stands between you and a worst-case scenario. And before we get into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you appreciate honest, no-nonsense firearms content. It helps us grow and lets us keep bringing you the videos that matter. Let's get started. Number 10. Mossberg 930 Tactical. Built to perform when it counts, the Mossberg 930 Tactical is a semi-automatic 12-gauge that thrives in close-quarter defense. Whether you're training with light loads or loading up with double-aught buck, the shotgun is ready to go. With an 18.5-inch barrel and a total length of 39 inches, it offers a great mix of compactness and reach. Weighing just under 8 pounds, it's solid enough to soak up recoil but light enough for fast handling. You get an 8-round capacity, which is more than enough to respond to a threat without immediately reloading. Mossberg's dual gas vent system keeps recoil in check and helps maintain accuracy shot after shot. It comes with a simple front bead sight for quick target acquisition, and its synthetic stock is made to handle abuse while keeping things comfortable. The 930 Tactical is a rock-solid choice for those who want a no-nonsense, dependable shotgun for defense. Number 9. Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol. Designed for both tactical reliability and ease of maneuvering indoors, the Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol is a semi-automatic 12-gauge that's ideal for protecting your home. With its compact 18-inch barrel and an overall length of 37.5 inches, it offers tight handling without sacrificing capability. At just over 7 pounds, it's light, balanced, and quick to shoulder. You've got a 5+1 round capacity, and the factory Picatinny rail up top makes it easy to mount a red dot or weapon light. Beretta's recoil reduction system helps you stay on target even with heavier loads, and the durable synthetic stock is built to handle rugged conditions. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or someone serious about home protection, the A300 Ultima Patrol delivers professional-level performance in a civilian-ready package. Number 8. Mossberg Maverick 88. If you want reliable home protection without breaking the bank, look no further than the Mossberg Maverick 88. This pump-action 12-gauge is the definition of simple and effective. With a 20-inch barrel and a full length of 41 inches, it gives you solid reach while remaining nimble in hallways or doorways. Weighing in at 6.5 pounds, it's light and quick, which makes it a solid option for both beginners and experienced gun owners. The Maverick 88 holds 7+1 shells, which is plenty of firepower to get through a defensive encounter. The front bead sight is straightforward, and the rugged synthetic stock is built to take a beating without compromising comfort. It's not fancy, but it works, and that's exactly what you want when your safety is on the line. Number 7. Genesis Arms Gen 12. Looking for something modern and mean? The Genesis Arms Gen 12 is a semi-automatic 12-gauge built on the AR platform, giving it familiar controls for anyone used to running rifles. With an 18.5-inch barrel and an overall length of 24.5 inches, it strikes a nice balance between compact and stable. At roughly 8.5 pounds, it's built to manage recoil and stay on target. It feeds 5+1 rounds and operates with AR-style controls that feel intuitive and natural. One of its standout features is its compatibility with AR-10 lowers, opening up tons of options for custom builds. The Gen 12 also features a specially tuned recoil system and a reinforced synthetic stock to keep things comfortable during extended shooting. If you want a shotgun that blends rifle ergonomics with 12-gauge firepower, this is it. Number 6. IWI Taver TS12. Bringing sci-fi styling and serious performance, the Taver TS12 from IWI is a bullpup-style shotgun that's compact, powerful, and built for real-world defense. It packs an 18.5-inch barrel into a frame that's only 28.1 inches long, perfect for navigating tight spaces like staircases or doorways. Weighing right at 8 pounds, the TS12 is well-balanced and doesn't feel unwieldy. What really sets it apart is its rotating triple-tube magazine, which holds 15 2¾ inch shells, 5 per tube. That gives you impressive sustained firepower with minimal reloads. The full-length top rail lets you mount optics or a weapon light, and the ambidextrous controls make it a good fit whether you're right or left-handed. It's a bold, innovative design with the kind of features that really count when seconds matter. Number 5. Keltech KSG. Let's talk about the Keltech KSG. An ultra-compact pump-action 12-gauge that's small in size but massive in capability. Thanks to its bullpup configuration, this compact scattergun squeezes an 18½ inch barrel into a tiny 26½ inch footprint. That makes it an absolute dream in close-quarters defense, especially when moving through hallways or around furniture. Tipping the scale at just under 7 pounds, the KSG manages to stay light on the shoulder while offering enough weight to soak up recoil. What sets it apart from the pack, though, is the dual magazine tube system. It holds a jaw-dropping 14+1 rounds of 2¾ inch shells. That's more than double the payload of most pump guns out there. Shells eject from the bottom, and the ambidextrous design makes it a breeze for both righties and lefties. With dual Picatinny rails on top and below, you've got room to mount lights, lasers, or any other mission-critical gear. Tactical, compact, and absolutely loaded, this bullpup means business. Number 4. Remington 870. Few names are as respected in the world of defensive shotguns as the Remington 870. This pump-action 12-gauge is a true American classic, battle-hardened, field-proven, and still going strong. It sports an 18-inch barrel and stretches to 38½ inches overall, making it a smart blend of length and maneuverability for both tight corners and long hallways. Weighing around 7½ pounds, the 870 balances nicely in the hands with just enough heft to keep recoil manageable while staying responsive. It feeds 6+1 shells and uses a basic bead front sight that keeps aiming quick and instinctive. With its tough-as-nails synthetic stock and matte finish that kills glare, this shotgun is ready for rough use. There's a reason why law enforcement and homeowners alike have trusted the 870 for generations. It's straightforward, dependable, and always ready for the fight. Number 3. Beretta 1301 Tactical. If you're looking for top-tier speed and precision in your defensive setup, the Beretta 1301 Tactical is a real standout. This semi-auto 12-gauge was built with rapid response in mind. It's got an 18½ inch barrel housed in a compact 37�45 inch frame, ideal for tight quarters where every inch counts. And at just under 6�4 pounds, it's one of the most agile fighting shotguns on the market. The 5+1 capacity is backed up by oversized controls, including a beefy charging handle and an enlarged bolt release, perfect when your adrenaline's pumping. It ships with adjustable ghost ring sights for precise targeting, plus a top Picatinny rail to add an optic or light. A soft recoil pad on the synthetic stock makes it easier to stay on target for fast follow-up shots. The 1301 Tactical isn't just another shotgun, it's a purpose-built defensive tool designed to perform when time is short and danger is close. Number 2. Mossberg 590A1. Coming in strong is the Mossberg 590A1, a pump-action 12-gauge that's about as rugged and dependable as they come. Designed to meet military specifications, this shotgun was built for people who demand absolute reliability. It features a heavy-walled 20-inch barrel and stretches 41 inches long, giving you a great combination of reach, control, and durability. Weighing 7 pounds even, it's a solid piece of kit that handles rough environments like a champ. You're working with an 8+1 shell capacity, giving you enough firepower to handle multiple threats before needing a reload. It's finished in corrosion-resistant parkerizing and fitted with a tough synthetic stock built for punishment. The ghost ring sights are fast and intuitive, while the Picatinny rail up top lets you throw on a light, red dot, or whatever else your setup demands. With ambidextrous safety controls and a layout that feels natural under pressure, the 590A1 is trusted by the pros for a reason. It delivers when everything is on the line. Number 1. Benelli M4. At the very top of our list is the legendary Benelli M4, a semi-automatic 12-gauge that's long been the gold standard for tactical shotguns. Whether in combat zones or defensive scenarios at home, the M4 has earned its reputation for rugged dependability and unmatched performance. It sports an 18½ inch barrel and comes in at an overall length of 40 inches, perfectly balanced for indoor maneuvering without compromising on power. It weighs just under 7 and 4/5 pounds and cycles 5+1 rounds with flawless precision. At the heart of this platform is Benelli's auto-regulating gas-operated system, also known as the ARGO system, which runs clean and cycles reliably through dirt, sand, or bad weather with minimal maintenance. The M4 ships with ghost ring sights that are built for speed and accuracy, and the full-length Picatinny rail means optics and accessories are ready to go. It even features a collapsible stock, letting you dial in the perfect fit for your body or gear setup. The M4 isn't just a shotgun, it's a battle-tested tool of protection. For the serious defender, there's no better choice. That wraps up our list of the 10 best shotguns for home defense in 2025. Whether you're looking for old-school reliability, cutting-edge innovation, or something that blends both worlds, there's something here for every shooter who takes home protection seriously. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button and consider subscribing so you never miss a drop of trusted firearm content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Wise Gunner.